డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ గొప్ప ఆర్థికవేత్త, ఎంహెచ్ఆర్డి మాజీ సభ్యురాలు రాజశ్రీ సాధనాల, ప్రపంచ మేధావి, నవభారత రాజ్యాంగ నిర్మాత, భారతరత్న డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ గొప్ప రాజనీతిజ్ఞుడే గాక గొప్ప ఆర్థికవేత్త అని ఎంహెచ్ఆర్డి మాజీ సభ్యురాలు రాజశ్రీ సాధనాల అన్నారు. తూర్పుగోదావరి జిల్లా పిఠాపురంలో డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ 129వ జయంతిని పురస్కరించుకొని ఆమె బహుజన మీడియాతో మాట్లాడారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆమె మాట్లాడుతూ భారతదేశ ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థకు ఆయన చేసిన కృషి గొప్పదని నోబెల్ బహుమతి గ్రహీత ప్రముఖ ఆర్థికవేత్త అమర్త్య సేన్ పేర్కొన్నారని ఆమె తెలిపారు. భారతదేశంలో ఆహార భద్రతకు కారణం డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ వేసిన పునాదులేనని శరద్ పవార్ పేర్కొనడం గమనార్హమని ఆమె తెలిపారు. రిజర్వ్ బ్యాంక్ ఏర్పాటు, కరెన్సీ ముద్రణ, భవిష్యత్తులో ఎదురయ్యే సవాళ్లన్నిటికీ పరిష్కారాలు చూపిన గొప్ప దార్శనికుడు డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ అని ఆమె కొనియాడారు.
నమస్తే. On the auspicious occasion of the 129th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of modern India, let us commemorate his economic contributions in establishing India's financial status in the world. Amartya Sen, the Nobel Prize winner, said, "Ambedkar is the father of my economics." He was a highly controversial figure in his home country, though it was not the reality. His contributions in the field of economics is marvelous and will be remembered forever. Ambedkar emphasized on investment in agriculture. Sharad Pawar said Ambedkar's vision helped the government to achieve its food security goal. His doctoral thesis, The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Solution, paved way to the establishment of Reserve Bank of India as a result of his ideas presented to the Hilton Young Commission in 1926. He pioneered for the establishment of the Finance Commission in 1951. He advocated for maternity leave, dearness allowance, reducing working hours from 12 to 8, amenities for labor force, and many more reforms for employees. He opposed income tax for low-income groups. He contributed in land revenue tax and excise duty policies to stabilize the economy. He emphasized on land reforms for state economic development and a free economy with a stable rupee, which India adopted in its financial planning. He advocated birth control to develop India's economy, for which the government implemented a national policy for family planning. He gave priority to women's rights, welfare, and their economic development. He said, "I measure the progress of a community to the degree of the progress which women achieved." He laid the foundation of industrial relations after independence. He was voted the greatest Indian with 20 million votes, organized by History TV 18 and CNN IBN international channels in 2012. His alma mater, Columbia University, in 2004 declared Dr. B.R. Ambedkar the topper of an eminent list of 100 that included ex-presidents of America and 6 other countries and other Nobel Prize winners. Our country, India, with 130 million population, the second largest populated in the world, with continental diversities, has an outstanding reputation as the largest democratic country with stability, unity and peace. This is the reflection of our greatest constitution drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Our constitution enables liberty, equality, justice, secularism and fraternity. The uniqueness of our constitution is that we all feel at home. It sees that our dreams and aspirations of every citizen are fulfilled. It also emphasizes to highlight the country's greatness in the world by creating a state of equality. Jai Hind.